we'll get Tuesday evening. Well, we had a brief downpour move through campus right before lunch, but luckily most of that activity has really cleared out of the area. We are left with a clean sweep on the radar right now, but that wasn't the case last night into early parts of this morning. We had a great deal of rainfall across the state of Mississippi. Now, around the Starkville area, we didn't get that much rain. Just to the south of us, they did get about an inch of rain, but look over towards the rest down near the Delta by Goodman, just east of I-55. They did get about 5 inches of rain, so that was pretty decent amount of rainfall yesterday. But thankfully, right now, we are left with lingering clouds and a mostly clear sky out there. Wow, what a gorgeous picture, but it's not as gorgeous as Jonesboro. Wow, look at the conditions out there. Crystal clear conditions. Now, this is something that we'll expect to see later on in the week, but you have to hang on for a couple of more days. Now, currently we're sitting at 81 degrees, a dew point of 66, west-northwest wind at 10 miles per hour. Now, temperatures across the region aren't really varying that much. They're pretty much in the upper 70s to the lower 80s. Our hot spot at 84 in Jackson, but we do see a change when we look at the dew points. Tunica, 50 degrees dew points, but if you go down south to Jackson, 69 degrees down there. So that is extremely muggy for it to be this late in September. So they are definitely dealing with the humidity down there, and they were dealing with the rainfall earlier today as well. We had a large complex of storms move through just south of the Highway 82 corridor earlier this morning, but those did start to weaken as they moved out west, leaving us with pretty much cloudy skies, cloudy and mostly clear skies across the region. Now, we've had a stationary boundary across the region for the past couple of days that's been giving us some rainfall as well, but that will move out the way, and we can anticipate a cool front coming through, giving us just pleasant conditions. So that is something that we can definitely look forward to later on in the week. So just nice crisp fall-like conditions. And tonight will be around the lower 60s. Now, some areas will actually dip below 60s to the upper 50s, 57 in Aberdeen and 57 in Calhoun City, as well as 61 in Starkville with that north wind at 5 miles per hour. And tomorrow will be around the mid-80s with that north wind at 3 miles per hour. And still slight chance for some rain tomorrow as we go throughout the day, 83 in Aberdeen and 82 in Calhoun City. Now, throughout the remainder of the week, those clouds will really start to clear out and leave us with clear skies. Look at Friday, 80 degrees on Friday, with those lows starting to dip down into the lower 60s and upper 50s, 57 as a low on Friday. Now, Saturday, 75 degrees. So we'll start to see the effects of that cool front moving through on Saturday and Sunday as well. So just a perfect weekend in store with temperatures in the mid-70s and lows in the lower 50s. And we could actually see some lows dip down into the 40s on Sunday as well. So that's something we haven't seen in a good minute as well. So overall, clearing conditions throughout the remainder of the week and a perfect weekend ahead. I'm meteorologist Brittany Bell, and this is your Campus Connect forecast.